Hi, welcome to my channel Tools to Work. Today we are going to review a Black & Decker ratchet set. So let's begin. Here it is. It's Black & Decker A7218. It's a 53-piece ratchet set. It comes in a hard plastic case. Here are the details. Is the content list. It has a ratchet handle, a magnetic bit holder, then S0, S1, S2, S3, HX3, HX4, HX5 and HX6, T10, T15, T20, T25 and T30, SL4, SL5, SL6, SL7 and SL10, PZ1, PZ2, PZ3, PH0, PH1, PH2, PH3. Then socket set of 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 and 13 mm, and then 3 by 16, 1 by 4, 11 by 32, 3 by 8 and 7 by 16 inches. So here it is. Here's the ratchet handle. The overall built quality of the ratchet handle is good, but as far as the grip is concerned, it's a bit uncomfortable. It's neither soft nor round, so it's not going to be very comfortable to hold it for extended time. Here's the socket set. The screwdriver bits containing almost all the necessary bit required for everyday work. Here's the magnetic bit holder. The ratchet mechanism is quite responsive and you can feel the movement. You can insert the bit directly into the head, but that's going to be difficult to pull out. So it will be better to use it with the magnetic bit holder. That will also extend the length. So that's all. Overall, it's a very good kit. Comes in a compact and solid box and contains all the necessary bits that you require to work in your home and even in the workshop and garage.